what we want to make. So let me just go to my browser here. I've been working on many games, including Alpha Board, Candy Cut, Basketball Shooter 2D, and Super Can, and many more. This course is gonna cover how to create an alphabet board game and configure all the steps required to get the mission accomplished. So we're gonna create our dashboard here with all the letters, menus. We're gonna go next to add this page. So we're gonna be able to write this page, write on this page, on this board. So you're gonna start from 1 to this path, you're gonna start from 2 to this path, and you're gonna start from 3 to this path. And also you're gonna see how to trace the points and how to navigate between the letters, and see how to implement different letters here. Alright, so let me just open my Unity. Here in Unity, let's just take an example of what we want to make here. So I'm just going to run the demo of this application that we want to build. Let me just run it. So this is our application. As you can see here, we got all the ABCs here. We got all the alphabets, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So if you select any of these colors, like if you select A, you're gonna write from 1 to, if you start from 2, for example, it's not gonna work because you have to start from the tracing point number 1. If you try from 3, it's not gonna work. So if you try start from 1 to the middle of the path and release the mouse or release the touch on the tablets, you're not gonna finish it. So you have to start from the first point in the path, the tracing point, the tracing part, to the end. So as you can see, it worked. I finished with number 1. If I go number 2, if I write outside, it's not gonna work. So you have to write inside the path. So I didn't complete the path because I didn't pass all the tracing points. We're gonna learn what do we mean by tracing point and tracing part in the next videos. But so you have to complete this path. And also, if you start from here to here, it's not gonna work because you have to get started from the first point to the last point. So as you can see here, you have to finish the path. I complete the path with following the tracing points, and as you can see here, I can continue with the same process for different letters. You have to start from here, follow all the tracing points to the end. So this is the way how you win. You can, reset the game. You can navigate to different colors. You can see C or D. I got C here, just one tracing part with different tracing points. So you have to be accurate. I didn't pass all the tracing points, so you have to pass all the tracing points until you finish. So you have to finish all the tracing points, as you can see here. So we want to add a sample letter for Arabic. You can add for Spanish, for English, for French, for Chinese, Japanese, any language. For Hebrew, for example, I just added an Arabic letter here called Fa. So when I click on this Fa, we're gonna learn how to add letters to this port. When I click on Fa, it's gonna open here with this port. So as you can see, we got we got this path. We have to finish this path correctly. So it's not enough to go outside of the path. You have to stick with the path to the end. Yeah, I should finish the path until the end of the tracing part. So start from here. This is the first tracing part. I go to the second here. I move to the third tracing. I have to keep pressing. I have to keep pressing. This is the mechanism that we use. First part, second part, third part and the fourth part here.
Oops.
You have to do it more accurately. Yeah, you don't have to go out the tracing part, so you're gonna lose. You cannot type here or here or here. You have to stick inside the tracing part in order to win the game. So I finished the first part of the letter. Notice here we have another point. It's single touch. So when I click on it, I win the game. So this is the mechanism that we use in this course. We have to design all these letters and add a tracing part and points to them, and design the letters using Illustrator. We're gonna know how to design the letters, how to add a tracing point using Adobe Photoshop, and all that kind of stuff. So back to what we want to make here. Here we got our Play Store game listed on Google Play Store. You saw that game. It's Alphabet Port. You can download it and see how it works on mobile devices and tablets. Soon we're gonna release this game on Apple Store, but right now we got it on Google Play Store and other markets. We also got it on Unity Asset Store. You can find it. This is the project that we want to work on. Alphabet board. We got this board as you saw in the previous video. We got all the letters. We got from A to Z. If you click on any of these letters, for example, click A, you're gonna have this screen. It's the writing screen for the letter. You got the path is just a path is. We start from 1 to 3. We got 3 paths here. We have many parts in this letter. You go to, we try to follow the part. This is the first part, this is the second part, and this is the third part. We go B, the same thing. We got 3 tracing part. This is the first one, this is the second one, and this is the third one. We go right the tracing, draw the tracing here.